Hey all my awesome second graders. Today we're going to be taking another look at nouns. And we've gone over nouns quite a bit. Just as a little refresher, they are people, places, and things. Also ideas that are all around us. And we're going to go over two different kinds of nouns today, common and proper. Common nouns are just general old nouns, and we'll go over a couple examples here in a minute and you'll see that. And proper nouns are very specific and they're special. And we'll go over those just in a moment. So, some common people, places, things that we can come up with would be words like boy, right? The opposite, girl. Those are some people. How about some places? We could think of like running down the street. Right, we got a street right over there. What other kind of places can we think of? We can think of like a town, right? I live in a small town. We live in a pretty small state, right? A state is a place. Our school, right? Just school. I'm going to school today. And some of those could be things as well, right? School can be a thing, right? So when we're getting a little bit more proper with these things, I like saying that. When we're getting more proper, we think more specific and it has to be very special. So thinking about boy, making that into a proper noun, we might say something a little bit more specific like a boy's name, John. Right? Or more specific for a girl, like Olivia. Street, I bet we could get more specific with that. Think about the street that's in front of your house. That has a very specific name, right? Like I know my street name. But a very specific street name for a lot of towns would be something like this. Main Street. What about town? How can we make that more specific and very special? Yeah, think about the town that you're in. Acton, right? That's a great one. In the state that we live in, we did a big old project on it this year. You got it, Maine. And what about school? You got that one too. Acton Elementary. And I just barely made it fit. Look at that. All right. So the worksheet you're going to be working on today deals with common nouns and proper nouns. So I believe you're going to be just picking out the proper nouns from a list of words. And a good giveaway is look at all these words. Look what it starts with. Yeah, proper nouns usually start with capital letters. That's how we know that they are very important, they are specific, and they are certainly special. All right? Good luck with your work today. Come back to this video if you have any questions.